If you want more A1, A2 level English listening texts, please subscribe to the channel and like my videos.
A busy week around the world. Hello. My name is Emily Carter. I am from Canada, but now I live in Madrid, Spain. I am 24 years old and I work as a receptionist in a small hotel in the city center. Every day, I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. I have breakfast and drink coffee. Then I go to work by metro. My hotel is near Puerta del Sol, a very famous place. Many tourists come to our hotel from different countries such as France, Germany, Japan, and Brazil. At work, I speak English and a little Spanish. Sometimes, I meet interesting people. Last week, I met a man named Kenji from Tokyo, Japan. He is a photographer. He travels to many countries and takes beautiful pictures. I also met Sophie from Paris, France. She is a student and she studies art. After work, I usually go home at 5:30. In the evening, I like walking in the city. Sometimes I meet my friend Marco, who is from Rome, Italy. We often go to a small restaurant and eat pasta or pizza. Marco likes talking about history and music. On weekends, I love traveling. 2 weeks ago, I visited Amsterdam, Netherlands. I went there by plane. The city was very beautiful. I saw canals, rode a bicycle, and visited a museum. Next month, I want to visit New York, USA. I want to see big buildings, visit Central Park, and go shopping. I am very excited.
A day in my life. Hello. My name is Daniel. I am 24 years old. I live in a small city. I work in an office every day. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I get out of bed and go to the bathroom. I wash my face and brush my teeth. Then, I go to the kitchen. I eat breakfast at 7:30. I usually eat bread, eggs, and fruit. I drink tea or coffee. I like coffee very much. It helps me wake up. After breakfast, I get dressed. I wear a shirt and black pants. Sometimes I wear a jacket. Then I leave my house at 8 o'clock. I go to work by bus. The bus is sometimes full, but it is okay. I listen to music on the bus. I like calm music in the morning. I arrive at work at 8:30. I work in a small office with 5 people. My job is easy but sometimes busy. I answer emails, talk to people, and write reports. At 12 o'clock I have lunch. I eat with my co-workers. We go to a small restaurant near the office. I usually eat chicken, rice, or salad. I drink water. After lunch, I go back to work. I work until 5 o'clock. In the afternoon, I feel a little tired. So I drink coffee again. At 5 o'clock, I finish work. I leave the office and go home. Sometimes I walk. Sometimes I take the bus. In the evening, I relax. I watch TV or read a book. Sometimes I meet my friends. We talk, laugh, and drink tea. I eat dinner at 7 or 8 o'clock. I usually eat simple food like soup or vegetables. I do not eat too much at night or after dinner. I sometimes study English. I read simple texts and listen to short conversations. I want to improve my English. At 10:30. I get ready for bed. I brush my teeth and change my clothes. Then I go to bed at 11 o'clock. I feel happy with my daily life. It is simple, but it is good.
A day at the International Festival. Hello. My name is Sofia Lopez. I'm from Buenos Aires, Argentina, and I am a university student. I study languages because I love meeting people from different countries. Last weekend, I went to an international festival in my city. It was a very big event with food, music, and cultural activities from many countries. I went there with my friend Daniel, who is from Lima, Peru. We arrived at the festival at 10 o'clock in the morning. There were many stands from countries like Italy, Germany, Japan, and India. First, we visited the Italian stand. We ate pizza and listened to Italian music. Then we went to the Japanese stand. I saw traditional clothes and learned a few words in Japanese. A girl named Aiko from Kyoto, Japan taught me how to say hello and thank you. After that, we visited the German stand. There, We met a man named Hans from Berlin, Germany. He talked about German culture and food. Daniel tried some traditional German sausages, and he really liked them. In the afternoon, there was a music show. A band from Dublin, Ireland played live music. People danced and sang together. The atmosphere was very exciting and friendly. Later, we went to the Indian stand. The colors, music, and food were amazing. I tried Indian food for the first time. It was spicy, but very, very tasty. Closing parenthesis. At the end of the day, we were tired, but very happy. I learned many new things and met interesting people from all over the world. Now, I want to travel more and visit countries like Japan, Germany, and India in the future.
No, another country, hello.
I am from New Zealand, and I live in a small city called Wellington. And I work as a nurse in a hospital. Last year, I decided to change my life, meet new people in Canada. At first, I felt a little nervous because everything was new, and I did not know many people. In my first week, I started working in a hospital, but my colleagues were very kind. Who is from Toronto, Canada? Me a lot at work, Mexico City. After work, I tried to explore the city, box, shops, and cafes. Big park called Stanley Park. It was very beautiful. On weekends, I like trying new activities. I went hiking with a group of people. Japan loves nature and traveling. After a few months, I felt more comfortable in my new life, found my favorite places, and improved my English. Next year, I want to travel more. USA and Sydney, Australia, learn about the world and about myself.
A long journey with new friends. Shello. My name is Daniel Brown. I am from Australia, and I live in Sydney. I am 26 years old, and I work in a bookshop. I love reading books and meeting new people. Last summer, I decided to travel to Europe for 3 weeks. It was my first time in Europe, and I was very excited. First, I went to London, England. The city was big and busy. I visited Big Ben, Tower Bridge, and some museums. The weather was a little cold, but I liked it. In London, I met a girl named Olivia. She is from Dublin, Ireland. She is very friendly and funny. We drank coffee together and talked about our lives. Olivia told me about her city and invited me to visit Ireland one day. After London, I traveled to Berlin, Germany by train. The train trip was long but comfortable. In Berlin, I stayed in a small hotel near the city center. I met a man named Lucas, who works as a chef. He likes cooking traditional German food. One evening, he cooked dinner for me. It was delicious. Next, I went to Prague, Czech Republic. Prague is a very beautiful city with old buildings and bridges. I walked around the city and took many photos. I also met Anna, who is a student from Warsaw, Poland. She studies history and loves traveling. We explored the city together for 2 days. After Prague, I flew to Rome, Italy. Rome was amazing. I visited famous places like the Colosseum and the Trevi Fountain. I ate pizza and ice cream every day. In Rome, I met Carlos from Barcelona, Spain. He is a musician. He plays the guitar in the streets and sings songs. At the end of my trip, I went to Paris, France. It was my favorite city. I saw the Eiffel Tower, walked along the river, and visited art museums. I felt very happy there. After 3 weeks, I returned to Sydney. I was tired, but very happy. I met many people from different countries and learned many new things. Now, I want to travel again next year and visit more places like Vienna, Austria, and Lisbon, Portugal.
My weekend routine. Hello. My name is Emma. I am 22 years old. I am a student. I live in a small apartment. On weekdays, I am very busy, but on weekends, I relax. On Saturday, I wake up late. I usually wake up at 9 or 10 o'clock. I stay in bed for a few minutes. Then I get up and go to the kitchen. I make a simple breakfast. I eat toast, cheese, and fruit. I drink tea. I like tea in the morning because it is warm and relaxing. After breakfast, I clean my apartment. I wash the dishes and clean the floor. I like a clean home. It makes me feel good. At noon, I go outside. Sometimes I go to a cafe. I sit there and drink coffee. I read a book or use my phone. I enjoy quiet places. In the afternoon, I meet my friends. We walk in the park or go shopping. We talk about our lives, school, and plans. I like spending time with my friends. In the evening, I go home. I cook dinner. I usually cook pasta or rice. Cooking is fun for me. After dinner, I watch a movie or a TV show. I like comedy movies because they make me laugh. Sometimes I watch movies alone, sometimes with friends. On Sunday, I wake up early. I want to use my time well. I have breakfast and then I study. I study English on Sunday. I read simple books and listen to English audio. Sometimes I write short sentences. I want to speak English better. In the afternoon, I call my family. We talk for a long time. I miss them, so I like talking to them. In the evening, I prepare for the new week. I check my schoolwork and make a plan. I go to bed at 10 or 11 o'clock. I feel ready for Monday. I like my weekends. They are calm, happy, and relaxing. Hello, my name is Anna. I am 25 years old. I live in a small city. Every day, I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. I wash my face, brush my teeth, and get dressed. Then I have breakfast. For breakfast, I usually eat bread, cheese, and an egg. I also drink tea or coffee. After breakfast, I go to work. I work in an office. I am a secretary. My office is not very big, but it is clean and quiet. I start work at 9 o'clock. I answer phone calls, write emails, and help my boss. Sometimes I talk to customers. At 12:30, I have lunch. I usually eat with my friend Lisa. We go to a small cafe near the office. Lisa likes salad, but I like sandwiches. After lunch, we drink coffee and talk. In the afternoon, I continue my work. I finish work at 5:30. After work, I sometimes go shopping or meet my friends. In the evening, I go home and cook dinner. I like cooking. I often cook pasta, rice, or soup. After dinner, I watch TV or read a book. On weekends, I do different things. On Saturday, I clean my house and go to the market. On Sunday, I relax. I sometimes go to the park or visit my family. I like my life. It is simple, but happy. Hello, my name is David. I am 27 years old. I live in a small town near a big city. I live in a small apartment with my friend Mark. Our apartment has 2 rooms, a kitchen, and a bathroom. It is not very big, but it is comfortable. Every day, I wake up at 6:45 in the morning. I usually feel a little tired, but I get up quickly. First, I wash my face and brush my teeth. Then I take a shower and get dressed. After that, I go to the kitchen and prepare breakfast. I usually eat bread, butter, cheese, and sometimes eggs. I drink tea or coffee. Mark wakes up later than me, so I eat breakfast alone. I like quiet mornings. At 7:45, I leave home and go to work. I work in a small office in the city. I go to work by bus. The bus is sometimes crowded, but I listen to music and relax. I start work at 9 o'clock. I work as an office assistant. I answer emails, talk on the phone, and organize documents. I also help my manager with small tasks. My manager is kind and friendly. At 12:30, I have lunch. I usually eat with my coworkers. There is a small restaurant near the office. I often eat chicken, rice, or pasta. My friend Sarah always eats salad. She likes healthy food. After lunch, we go back to work. In the afternoon, I sometimes feel tired, but I drink coffee and continue working. I finish work at 5:30 in the evening. After work, I sometimes go to the gym. I like doing exercise because it makes me feel good. On some days, I meet my friends in a cafe. We talk, laugh, and drink coffee. When I go home, I cook dinner with Mark. We like cooking together. We often cook pasta, soup, or simple meals. After dinner, we watch TV or play games. Before going to bed, I usually read a book or listen to music. I go to bed at around 11 o'clock. On weekends, my routine is different. On Saturday, I wake up late. I clean the apartment and go shopping. In the afternoon, I meet my friends or go to the cinema. On Sunday, I like to relax. I sometimes go to the park and walk. I also call my family and talk to them. Sometimes I visit them. I like my life. It is simple, but I am happy.